Friends, have you ever heard the phrase, "This ship will never sink"? These were the words spoken about the Titanic, a magnificent ship that met its tragic fate on its very first voyage. This is not just a story of a ship sinking. It is a tale of pride, fate, and human survival. What went so terribly wrong that the world's strongest ship was lost to the depths of the ocean within just a few hours? Today, we bring you the real story of Titanic. A story of dreams, hope, and disaster. So stay with us till the end, and if you appreciate our effort, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. 1. The modern world's largest ship. By the late 19th century, sea travel was booming. Major companies were competing to build larger and more luxurious ships. The White Star Line company planned to build Titanic as the most powerful and grandest ship ever. 2. The impressive design of Titanic. Titanic was 269 meters long and weighed 53,000 tons. It had state-of-the-art facilities, making it the most luxurious and technologically advanced ship of its time. 3. The Unsinkable claim. The engineers of Titanic proudly declared that this ship will never sink. Its watertight compartments were designed to contain any leaks, making sinking almost impossible, or so they thought. 1. The first and final voyage. On April 10, 1912, Titanic set sail from Southampton, England, to New York City. Over 2,200 passengers and crew were on board, including some of the world's richest individuals and immigrants seeking a new life in America. 2. Entering dangerous waters. On the night of April 14, 1912, Titanic reached an area filled with massive icebergs. Several ships had sent warnings about the dangerous ice, but the captain did not reduce speed. 3. The deadly collision with an iceberg. At 11:40 p.m., a giant iceberg suddenly appeared in Titanic's path. The crew tried to steer away, but it was too late. The iceberg tore through the right side of the ship, and water started rushing in. 4. Panic and chaos on the ship. At first, many passengers did not believe the ship was sinking. However, as water flooded more compartments, the panic began. Women and children were given priority to board lifeboats, but there weren't enough boats for everyone. 5. The rapid flooding of compartments. Titanic's watertight compartments could hold water only up to 4 sections, but the iceberg had damaged 6 compartments. As the front of the ship started tilting downward, water flooded in even faster. 1. The ship splits in two. By 2:20 a.m., the immense pressure caused the Titanic to break in two and sink into the icy waters of the Atlantic Ocean. People who could not find a place in the lifeboats jumped into the freezing sea. But the water was so cold that most died within minutes due to hypothermia. Out of 2,200 people on board, only 706 survived. The rest either drowned or froze to death in the chilling waters. Stories of the survivors. Many survivors later recounted their experiences, stating that if more lifeboats had been available, many more lives could have been saved. Where is the Titanic wreck? For decades after the disaster, no one knew where Titanic had sunk. Finally, in 1985, an American research team discovered the wreck at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. Many historians believe that if the ship had slowed down, paid attention to iceberg warnings, and carried more lifeboats, the tragedy could have been avoided. Conclusion. Friends, what does Titanic's story teach us? It is a tale of pride, carelessness, and destiny. A ship that was thought to be unsinkable sank within just a few hours. This disaster reminds us that no matter how advanced human technology becomes, nature will always be more powerful. If you found this video interesting, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss more incredible stories like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.